Today I thought we would take a look at some more of the pre-cut project blanks from blacksmithingblanks.com. I'm going to work on a couple of very simple little hooks. Anytime you're working with a blank that's been cut by plasma cutter, torch, anything like that, there's probably a little bit of slag at the edge, some other rough spots. Clean those up and you'll end up with a better project in the long run. I'm going to start by just putting a light bevel around the edge of this, and then I'm going to punch a hole to hang it from. This is another great opportunity to work on just getting nice even curves by hand and eye at the anvil without any special jigs. Now let's move on to the heart hook. We're going to take a very similar approach with this, putting a bevel on the outside edge. But then I want to give it more shape and more body. So we're going to dish it a little bit from the backside over a wooden stump. Now, in an interest of making this hook a little bit more refined than the first one, I'm going to draw out the hook portion and round up the end before I put the little curl on it. And for this, I'll go ahead and use a very simple welded up hook bending jig. It helps to cool the end of the curl off first so you don't deform it. Make sure it's straight. Then we'll drill a hole in this one. So here are two very simple hooks, starting with pre-cut blanks. You could certainly chisel these out, cut them out on a bandsaw, forge them from larger stock. But if you're making a lot of these, pre-cut blanks might be the way to go. And I'll leave a link in the video description with a coupon code for blacksmithingblanks.com if you're looking to order some hook blanks or any of their other blanks. They have a lot of things besides hooks. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button. It costs nothing to subscribe. It just helps you see more videos here at Black Bear Forge too. In the meantime, I hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.